in the land, my people. Yes, Life TV, your weekend vibe. Hey. Boom, beat enter soft, so slow love drum. That muty bitter riff, come Afro bounce. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my weekend vlog. Today we dey take 'em soft, one gentle step at a time. Sometimes small changes, they light up your world. Balcony clean, fresh air unfold. Touch more things, joy go show face. Now the little moment, they sweep past race. African woman, far from home. I carry my roots wherever I roam. Aroma from my pot, just there, remind me, say home no far when flavor goes. Boy, I move slow, now it's Life TV, they run the show. Turkey wings, they wait for fire. Chaco smoke, they climb higher. Wash 'em clean, no stress at all. Vinegar touch, gentle call. Leave 'em rest, flavor go glow. Tomorrow days go steal the show. Low heat, steady time. No rush life, that's my rhyme. No water, just natural flow. When you done, flavor go show. Man, I just spicy, follow me go. Even breeze, they dance to the show. My people make una, they smile. Weekend sweet, body they wine. Oh, yeah. Boy, I'm a move slow, now it's Life TV, they run the show. Lucky wings, they wait for fire. Chaco smoke, they climb higher. Wash 'em clean, no stress at all. Vinegar touch, gentle call. Leave 'em rest, flavor go glow. Tomorrow days go steal the show. Life TV, your weekend groove. From my kitchen straight to you. Love, peace and flavor too. Now joy, how they cook for me and you.
No stress, a good day, scent leaf day. Everything fresh, body go feel well. Who they run am? That's Life TV, they run am. Oh, blend the pepper mix, bossa, bring the fish, make it bake. Yes, yes. Mind you, this one go sweet die. See fish now. Bring pot, make we cook. Add pepper mix, add seasoning. Prawns and steak, crayfish they make it semi small. Yes, yes. Now Delta Queen they cook. Oh yeah. Add okra, done and well. Add fish stock, ugu and scent. Leave they smell. Now fish enter. Soup done set. Sonia style okra soup. Your Highness okra soup.
Mid-tempo Afro beacher, sweet Naija groover, sweet Naija groover, beacher. Yes, Life TV kitchen don't open again. Oh. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. Today we dey make beef rice fire Naija style. Let's go. Beef they ready, where I wash clean fine. Add small lemon, make the flavor shine. Ginger, garlic, nutmeg too. Salt and thyme, I just spice crew. Curry powder, oregano blend. Rub 'em sweet, make it taste no end. Blended onion, bonnet, pepper day. Oil for pan, aroma don't play. Air fry or bake, you fit choose. Now your kitchen, you no go lose. Beef rice fire, aroma they scatter. Pan they hot and the beef they matter. Mix and steam, flavor don't got that S. Life TV kitchen, no recipe bada. La, la, bada. FTV kitchen, no recipe bada. La, la, bada. Oil for fire, add small palm bread. Optional, but it they make sense ahead. Seasoning drop, same combo inside. Ginger, garlic, flavor they glide. Add your tomato, onion bonnet too. Make it fry small, I just to break through. Add beef stock, rice follow go. Turn am gentle, low heat slow. Steam the rice, flavor they bloom. Every corner, nice perfume. That spring onion choke me. Add your baby, color so clean. Just how